Up to now, we have discussed old tenses, present tense, past tense, future tense. Later, we discussed the WH questions, and it is the third category of the sentence. That is imperative sentences. Now, each and every sentence is a particular structure of words. That means that each sentence is structured grammatically. That means that each has its own structure, and that structure, the proper structure means the proper arrangement of the words in a proper sequence. Means subject, then verb, then the object. In English grammar, for example, this is the structure of affirmative sentence: subject, verb, and then object. Then the adverbials, time, place, or any other manner. So that means that any sentence contains any one of or two or three of these elements or all of them. Generally, we have subject, object, verb, complement, and adverbial. In the garden, in the hotel, in the school, place. That is, we don't call it subject or also object. They are adverbials. Then we have time, in the morning, in the evening, at 10 o'clock. This is again a adverbial of time. Then we have manner, politely, slowly, hurriedly. So that is called adverbial of manner. So in the imperative sentence, it has also particular its own structure. In affirmative WH question, we saw that in WH questions, WH word at the beginning, then any first auxiliary, then subject, and then rest of the words. So this is the structure of the WH questions. In affirmative, as I have told you, negative. So all these have their own structure. In the same way, interrogative sentence also have their own structure. Generally, imperative sentence begins with verb, and only verb and object make imperative sentence. For example, when I say that open that window, so window is object and open is the verb. So only two elements, verb and object, they can make any imperative sentence. Open the window. So we don't see any subject here. Open the window means directly somebody is ordering somebody. It is order. Okay. So the speaker of this particular sentence, imperative, is ordering somebody to do something. Those sentences we call imperative sentences. But it also depends on that in which manner you are ordering. Okay. People older than us, we cannot order them. But people older than us, they can order us, they can command us. Boss can command, boss can order. So sometimes we have to be polite. Sometimes every time we cannot order. Sometimes we have to tell somebody in the request form, in the form of the request. Sometimes we request somebody or order somebody to do something not in the near future but for a long time. or we say somebody to do something not for our benefit but for himself or herself whom we are ordering to, or saying to do something. For example, if you are uh, to your friend, you can say for the health benefits that go for walk every day. So now you are not saying that you do it just right now. Okay, you can say that open the window or shut the window or switch off the fan or switch on the fan. That is instant activity that you are telling somebody to do right now at present. But go for walk every day, so that is, you are saying, that is advice. You are telling your friend that it is good for the health, that you should go for walk every day, at least you should walk. So that is advice. You are not saying that you just go for walk right now. So that means that within imperative sentences we have multiple types of imperative sentences. So we have command, we have request, we have advice. Okay, if the person is near to us, if he or she is intimate to us, our family member or friend to us, close friend, we can advise them. You can give advice. But people with whom we have only recognition, we cannot advise them, we can only suggest them. So sometimes we have suggestion. Okay, help the needy. For example, it is suggestion that you should help the needy. Read every day. Okay, so this is a suggestion that you should, for your benefit, you should read every day. So that is suggestion. So when we discuss imperative sentences and especially active and passive voice, we must, friends, we must remember that we get four these types. We have command, we have request, we have suggestion, and we have advice. And these four types of imperative sentences are converted differently. Please remember, they are converted differently. That means that they have different pattern. So all imperative sentences are not converted from active voice to passive voice in the same manner. So we have to learn that how command sentences are converted into passive, how suggestion sentences are converted into passive, because they both are converted differently. And that is what we will see today. It is very easy. In the request and advice, they are very easy, because in that case we just add at the beginning that you are requested to. But how to identify that the sentence, that this is request, this is command, this is advice, this is suggestion? Okay, let us now see with the help of PPT, we will understand. Okay, for example, you can see on your screen, shut the window. Okay, the window and the verb shut. Then we have please open the door. Now see here in the second sentence, word please is used. Kindly, sometime it is used. Kindly open the door. So two sentences are different. Shut the window, you are ordering. There you don't see any politeness in the sentence. In the second, we see the politeness, the word please. It gives the sense of request. Kindly open the door or please open the door. So if you find please or kindly word in the sentence, that means that it is request. Otherwise it is order. So both the sentences, you see, they are about the instant. Right now you do, shut the window right now, open the door right now. It is not something that you are, giving advice or suggestion. In the third sentence, you can see that help the disabled and get up early. These are in the form of suggestion and advice. You are not telling somebody to do this right now. So let us see the difference. So first, command order, because you don't see any action is right now, means you are saying something to do right now, but we don't find any please or kindly word. Therefore, they are order, command, request, because we see the word please. Third, it is the suggestion that help the disabled. It means you should help the disabled, and get up early, that is advice. Okay. So these are the four types of imperative sentences. Now let us see what is the structure of order, what is the structure of request, what is the structure of suggestion and advice. Now we have four. Please note down. This is something that you have to remember. હવે ચાર પ્રકારના જે છે સેન્ટેન્સીસ એ ચારેયમાં તમારું પેસિવમાં સ્ટ્રક્ચર શું છે એક વખત યાદ રહી જશે. And if you then practice with some sentences, 10 or 15 for each, then you will probably remember how, how to, then you will become confident in converting the sentences, imperative sentences, in from active to passive voice. So you have, see, when you have order, what you are supposed to do is, in passive voice you have to make use of at the beginning let, the word let. Then there will be subject. Subject means what? Shut the window. Shut the window, it is active voice. Here the window is object. The window object will become subject in the passive. So subject is the window. So let the window, subject, be, then there is be, v3 opened. Open v3 ed v3. So open, let the window be open. Order માટે શું છે? Let subject plus be plus v3. So when there is a sentence like open the door, that means that let the door be opened. Okay, let us, we will see then in example, but please note down this. Request, it is very easy. Just you have to add the phrase at the beginning that you are requested to. Please open the door. That means that you are requested to, બરાબર. પ્લીઝ કે કાઇન્ડલી આ બે વર્ડ હોય તો એની જગ્યાએ ફ્રેઝ મૂકી દેવાની, યુ આર રિક્વેસ્ટેડ ટુ. બરાબર, પ્લીઝ કે કાઇન્ડલી નીકળી જશે અને પછી બેઠે બેઠું એમનેમ સેન્ટેન્સ. ઓપન ધ ડોર, યુ આર રિક્વેસ્ટેડ ટુ, V1 છે એટલે ઓપન ઓપન જ રહેશે. ઓપન ધ ડોર મીન્સ ઓબ્જેક્ટ. So very easy. In the same way, you will have in the advice that you are advised to get up early. Okay, we saw the sentence get up early, advice. So that means that you are advised to get up V1 early. સજેશનમાં તમારે પાછું યાદ રાખવું પડશે. સજેશનમાં should is used. Subject plus should plus be plus V3. Help the needy means the needy become subject. The needy should be helped V3. The needy should be helped. Advice, it is very easy that you are advised to, then V1. For example, you say somebody that run every day. You are advised to run every day. Read every day. You are advised to read every day. So very simple. So you are requested to V1 plus object and you are advised to. They are very simple to remember. Now considering this order and suggestion, please remember in the order let plus subject plus be plus V3. And in the suggestion you have subject plus should plus be plus V3. I hope that now things are clear to you. ડબલ ક્વેશ્ચન સબમિટ કરવા માટે તમારે કોમેન્ટમાં સબમિટ કરવાના છે, બરાબર. ગૂગલ ક્લાસરૂમ તમે ખોલશો એટલે ઉપર શેર સમથિંગ વિથ યોર ક્લાસમેટ ઓર ક્લાસરૂમ એવું આવે છે ને, ત્યાં એ બોક્સમાં તમારે ફાઇલ અટેચ થઈ શકશે, બરાબર. ઉપર ટાઇટલ લખવાનું એક્ટિવ એન્ડ પેસિવ વોઇસ ડબલ ક્વેશ્ચન, અને ફાઇલ પણ અટેચ કરી દેવાની, બરાબર. એડ ફાઇલ એવો ઓપ્શન આવશે ત્યાં, શેર સમથિંગ વિથ યોર ક્લાસ. I appreciate and I have seen yesterday that many of you have submitted your WH questions. Yeah, in the PDF file. I saw. I appreciate. Yes. In the coming Saturday, Sunday, 2 days, we will have one quiz. I will just today itself. I will give you the link, but don't do it right now because now link is inactive. This will only open on Saturday and Sunday. So you will be given 2 days, Saturday and Sunday, for the completion of the test of 40 marks on active and passive. Please remember, I will share the link with you today. So now see. Okay, so now let us do practice. We will see one by one them. So this is the structure of passive voice. Very easy. There is nothing difficult in it. Imperative sentences. So let us take, for example, order. Please carefully pay attention. Let plus subject plus be plus V3. Now let us see practical example. Shut the window, for example. So what would be the passive? Let the window be shut. Okay, according to this, let the window be shut. Shut to V3, shut. Let us see second example. Bring a glass of water. આમાં પ્લીઝ કે કાઇન્ડલી વર્ડ તો નથી, અને ઇન્સ્ટન્ટ એક્ટિવિટી છે, અત્યારે તમે કહો છો રાઈટ નાઉ બ્રિંગ અ ગ્લાસ ઓફ વોટર, બરાબર. આ કોઈ એવરીડે કરવાની તો વાત નથી. So what would be? Let the glass of water be bought. Bring no V3 bought. I hope that things are very clear to you. Let plus subject plus be plus V3. So let the window be shut. For example, put the book on the table. So let the book be put on the table. Put no V3 put thase. Or for example, you say that bring vegetables. So vegetables, let the vegetables be brought. Or we have other examples. Start reading. Okay, so let reading be started. Okay, reading, gerund. Reading is used as a noun, as a subject in the sentence. So let reading be started. Then you can say that if you have sentence, for example, go out. Okay, go out. Yeah, object nathi, but this is order, this is command. So go out એમાં તમે શું કહી શકો? You are ordered to go out. Yeah, this is also possible. You are ordered to go out. ઓબ્જેક્ટ ના હોય ત્યારે શું કરવાનું? You are ordered to, બરાબર. ઓર્ડર છે એટલે you are ordered to. આપણે જોયું એમ, you are requested to, you are advised to. અહીંયા કેવું ઓર્ડરના ફોર્મમાં you are ordered to, તો પાછું V1 આવશે. Go out of the room. Okay, so this is order. They are also called command. Moving to next category, request. It is very simple. You are requested to V1 object. Let us see example. For example, please open the door. You are requested to, બરાબર. Please ની જગ્યાએ you are requested to. Sentence same. Open the door. V1 અને the door. બીજું એક એક્ઝામ્પલ જોઈ લઈએ. પ્લીઝ ડોન્ટ ડિસ્ટર્બ મી means you are requested to not to disturb me. નેગેટિવ છે એટલે you are requested to, એના પછી not to આવશે. not to v1, બરાબર, not to disturb me in the negative here. then we have suggestion. સજેશનમાં should આવશે. અહીંયા આપણે you are suggested to એવું આપણે નથી કહેતા, પણ should help the disabled means the disabled should be helped. The disabled should be helped. Listen to me. I should be listen. Me છે બરાબર, અહીંયા ઓબ્જેક્ટ છે, અહીંયા સબ્જેક્ટ બની જશે I should, subject plus should plus be v3 listen. Okay. then we have advice. Here again we have you are advised to. You are requested to. In the same way you are advised to work hard. It is advice. બરાબર. હવે આ તમારું કોઈ ઇન્ટિમેટ હોય, ક્લોઝ ફ્રેન્ડ હોય, એને તમે કઈ એડવાઇસ આપી શકો વર્ક હાર્ડ. માત્ર ખાલી ઓળખાણ હોય, તમારા કોઈ કલીગ હોય, એને તમે માત્ર સજેશન આપી શકો, પણ વર્ક હાર્ડ, ગેટ અપ અર્લી આવું આપણે એને ન કહી શકીએ, હેવિંગ ઓનલી રેકગ્નિશન. તો વર્ક હાર્ડ, ગેટ અપ અર્લી, વી do we tell to those who are close to us. So work hard. You are advised to work hard. You are advised to work hard. V1 work and hard. You are advised to get up early. So I hope that these are very simple. You are requested to and you are advised to. કમાન્ડમાં ખાલી લેટ અને સબ્જેક્ટ વાળું યાદ રાખવાનું છે. લેટ ધ ડોર બી ઓપન, બી એન્ડ v3. શુડમાં પણ બી અને v3 આવશે. ઓકે, that the needy should be helped. હવે આપણે પ્રેક્ટિસ કરીએ તો તમને વધારે ખ્યાલ આવશે. આ સેન્ટેન્સીસ જે છે you can see on your screen. We will do practice of these sentences. Okay, so you can see now sentences. Now answer me in your chat box. All of you are supposed to type in your chat box. Now convert these sentences. These are in the active form. Convert them into passive form. So whatever we have discussed up to now their structure, let plus b plus v3 and the should plus b plus v3 Now please apply those things to these sentences. Okay, so screen is visible to you and replies are coming. Very good. Siddesh, Trurasi, Mahek, Ketul. Very good. Let the light be switched off. Very good. All students are requested to reply. Dheria, Hasti, Hina, Rutu. Good. Yes, Trurasi. So let and the subject let the light and be switch no V3 switched ED off. Very good. This is the passive of that sentence. Very good. Yes. Siddesh, Ketul, and Kevin. Okay, so we have this as a let the light be. So let, then we have the light is a subject, P and V3. ઓકે બરાબર ઇન્સ્ટન્ટ ક્રિયા છે અત્યારે જ કરવાની વાત છે અને કોઈ કાઇન્ડલી કે પ્લીઝ પોલાઇટ વર્ડનો ઉપયોગ નથી therefore ઇટ ઇઝ ઓર્ડર સબ ઓબ્જેક્ટ આપેલો છે જો ઓબ્જેક્ટ ના આપ્યો હોય તો યુ આર ઓર્ડર્ડ ટુ બરાબર ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ જ્યારે ઇનટ્રાન્ઝિટિવ વર્બ હશે ઇનટ્રાન્ઝિટિવ વર્બ તો એમની સાથે ઓબ્જેક્ટ ના હોય બરાબર સ્વિચ ઓફ તો એ તો ટ્રાન્ઝિટિવ વર્બ છે તો એની સાથે ઓબ્જેક્ટ હોઈ શકે સ્વિચ ઓફ ધ ફેન ઓર એનીથિંગ લાઇટ બટ ગો વોક વોક આઉટ તમે કયો ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ ચાલો એ પણ આપણે જોઈ લઈએ વોક આઉટ પ્લીઝ રિમેમ્બર વોક આઉટ વોક જે છે એ ઇનટ્રાન્ઝિટિવ વર્બ છે વોકની સાથે ઓબ્જેક્ટ ન આવે ક્યારે વોક વોટ ટુ વોક રન સ્વિમ ગો ગો આઉટ તો ઇન ધીસ કેસ હવે અહીંયા ઓબ્જેક્ટ નથી ઇનટ્રાન્ઝિટિવ વર્બ્સ હોય ત્યારે તમારે શું કરવાનું છે યુ આર ઓર્ડર્ડ ટુ બરાબર એટલે ટુ બી જે છે ટુ બી પ્લસ V3 અહીંયા આવી જશે ફોર પેસિવ પર્પઝ ઓર્ડર ટુ પછી તો V1 કારણ કે ફેરફાર છે અહીંયા થઈ ગયો છે ટુ બી પ્લસ V3 એટલે આ તો મૂળ રૂપમાં છે વોક આઉટ Okay, please remember walk out, go out, or swim, sleep. Okay. For example, more example. For example, like go to sleep. Now answer me of this. Go to sleep. In your chat box, answer me. Go to sleep. What would be the passive of this sentence? Go to sleep. Give me the passive of. Okay, very good. Yes. So go is a main verb in this sentence. So it is intransitive, which does not have object. To sleep, it is the manner. It is the adverb. So here we don't have object. So therefore we have to use Anirudh Singh. Very good, Rutu. You are ordered to. You are ordered to. Ordered to ક્યારે યુઝ કરવાનું છે ઇનટ્રાન્ઝિટિવ વર્બમાં કે ઓબ્જેક્ટ ન આવી શકતું એવા વર્બમાં જેમ કે ગો છે વોક સ્વિમ રન ધીઝ આર ઇનટ્રાન્ઝિટિવ્સ સો યુ આર ઓર્ડર્ડ ટુ ગો ટુ સ્લીપ બરાબર ઓકે નાઉ ધૈર્ય પટેલ યસ ટર્ન હિમ આઉટમાં તો ઓબ્જેક્ટ છે હિમ છે એ ઓબ્જેક્ટ છે ઓકે અહીંયા ઓબ્જેક્ટ છે, ધીસ ઇઝ ટ્રાન્ઝિટિવ, ટર્ન આઉટ ધીસ ઇઝ ટ્રાન્ઝિટિવ, બરાબર. તો અહીંયા તો આપણું એ પ્રમાણે જ આવશે, સ્ટ્રક્ચર પ્રમાણે. ઓબ્જેક્ટ હી જે છે એ આપેલું છે, બરાબર. તો એ આપણા સ્ટ્રક્ચર પ્રમાણે લેટ હી, સબ્જેક્ટની જગ્યાએ હી માંથી હી થઈ જશે. લેટ હી બી ટર્ન આઉટ. ટર્ન આઉટ ઇઝ ટ્રાન્ઝિટિવ વર્બ અને ઓબ્જેક્ટ છે him. So this is the answer of this sentence. Okay, so let plus be, અહીંયા સબ્જેક્ટ him નું અહીંયા he થઈ ગયું સબ્જેક્ટના સ્થાને, અને turned out v3. this is phrasal verb, બરાબર. આ બધા જે આવા જે give up, get rid of, turn out, go out, put on, put off, switch off, switch on, these are called phrasal verbs. See off, for example. Okay, so this is v3. Very good. Now this sentence, inform the police. All are supposed to answer. Siddesh, Ketul, yes, Dhruvraj Singh. Inform the police right now. Let the police be plus v3 informed. Very good. Okay, so if you do practice of these sentences, things will be fine. Okay, and let us now move to the another request. You are requested to help that old lady. Very good. You are requested to help that old lady. Okay. Yeah, please આપેલું છે. Remove the please. So please will be replaced with you are requested to. Okay. Help that old lady, એ તો સેમ નું સેમ અહીંયા જ છે, એ જ ફોર્મમાં help that lady. Okay. Give me a book. Very good. Yes, Hina, Dhrurasi, Mahek. So same way you are requested to give me a book. Anirudh Singh, give me a book. Okay. Moving to the next, do it for me. Yes, you are requested to. You are requested to. Please share request share. That means that you are requested to. Yes, do it for me. Be small pages. Do it for me. Full stop. This is how request form converted. So we have discussed let means order and request. Now moving to suggestion. What would be in the suggestion? Yes, truth. See, this is always is a adverb. Adverbs are always flexible in the sentence. You can put adverb at the beginning, somewhere at the middle, or at the end of the sentence. સબ્જેક્ટ ને ઓબ્જેક્ટ અને વર્બ આ ત્રણના પોઝિશન જે છે એ પ્રોપર ઓર્ડરમાં હોવા જોઈએ. Adverb is flexible. So very good. The truth should be spoken always. So the subject, then the should be spoken. Should be spoken. Okay, always. Always at the beginning પણ આવી શકે. So here the subject, then the should be V3. Okay, next, love your country. Okay, Siddesh, yes, Ketul, Anirudh Singh, yes, your country is a subject. Your country should be V3, love. Very good. So we have subject, then we have should be plus V3. More sentence. Hear him now. This is also suggestion. Hear him now. Suggestion. He, yes. Rina, very good. He should be. He should be heard. V3 now. Very good. Anirudh Singh, very good. Yes. So this is how suggestion are turned into passive. Subject plus should be plus V3. હવે તમારી જાતે આ સેન્ટેન્સીસ શોધી અને પ્રેક્ટિસ કરશો તો વધારે સરળતાથી યાદ રહેશે. મૂવિંગ ટુ નાઉ એડવાઇસ. નજીકના ક્લોઝ ફ્રેન્ડ હોય તો એને તમે શું કહી શકો? ડુ નોટ સ્મોક, બી કેરફુલ, થિંક બિફોર યુ સ્પીક. You can see here it shows the close intimacy. So do not smoke means convert this. Advice. You are advised to. You are advised to. SE આવશે, CE નહીં આવે. Advice is a noun. Is noun. Advice is a verb. So here verb will be used advice to. Not to. Negative way to not to smoke. V1. Okay. And please remember advice જે છે એ સિંગ્યુલર અને પ્લુરલ બંનેમાં એડવાઇસ જ રહી છે. If you say I gave him any advices, it is common error. This is wrong. Okay, this sentence is wrong. It is always in the plural form advice. I gave him many advice. Okay. Be careful. Last two sentences. Okay, you are advised to be careful. Very good, to be careful. Good. Think before you speak. Last sentence. You are advised to think before you speak. Only one phrase you are advised to is added at the beginning. Fine. Okay, so you are advised to think before you speak. Okay, friends. So this is how order, request, suggestion, and advice. Such imperative sentences are converted from active to passive voice. And I hope that things are clear to you. And PPT is also with you. Go to it, refer it again, observe the difference between those sentences, and frame yourself some active sentences and then convert them into passive. Okay, so we stop here. We end our session today here. Now you can type your roll number in the chat box, and thank you. Have a nice day. So complete. लखाई के बदन नंबर